Viewer discretion is advised.
Bad hikers, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Officer Bowley come for you? Bad hikers, what you gonna do, what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad hikers, what you gonna do, what you gonna do when they come for you?
Rangers filmed on location with the men and women of park enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
I'm Officer Bowley, and I'm a new recruit here in the Appalachian Parks Department, out here on patrol in this beautiful park. To make sure everyone is following the leave no trace policies to the letter. We are crossing T's and dotting I's because I do everything by the book. There's no room for leniency in these woods. One little slip up, you got a whole forest fire. Somebody forgets to hang their food, we got a bear problem, and nobody likes a bear problem.
All units respond.
Sounds like we got a call here. Let me answer this real quick. Yeah. We are right around the corner. Officer Bowley on the way. Alright, we just got this. It's right down in the corner. Down here around the corner. Someone's calling about some dude not following some leave no trace policies and making a lot of noise. So we're gonna check it out. Continue to have a good weekend. I just want everyone to have a good time with their families, doing their own thing, trying to enjoy themselves. Yeah, I'm a person suspect right now. I'm about to find out what's going on. Alright, you guys want to come with me? We're gonna find out what's going on here. Get my radio, my pepper spray. When I first encountered the suspect, it appeared he was under the influence and drinking heavily. What, this? This is just my protein shake. Lightweight, high in calories. What seems to be the problem here? You wanna know what the problem is? Hiker over here can't seem to watch where he's stepping. This officer walks up to me asking me what seems to be the problem. The problem is, this hiker over here won't let me in the woods. Does a bear in the woods? Why can't I? Improper cathole procedure, man. Improper cathole procedure. You gotta be man. All I wanted to do was show him the ABCs of making a cathole. Always bury crap. It's that simple. Proper cathole procedure is 200 feet away from any trail or any water source, and make sure it's 4 to 6 inches wide in diameter, 6 to 8 inches deep. So easy a caveman could do it, and they probably did. That officer got his ABCs all messed up. He is confused. The ABCs of catholing is always bring Charmin. Plain and simple. I don't know where he got this always bury crap. I leave that shit laying around anywhere. There's no way, yeah. Nah. Hold my beer. It's on the run. Get off me, bro! Why are you resisting? I'm not resisting! I don't know who he thought he was trying to run away from me. I am a park ranger. I used to be an all-American athlete in high school. Believe you me. I used to be able to dunk, run track, all things sports. I ran because I hadn't got my morning jog in. Man, I didn't do nothing. What's that? Why you got me back here? You're back there because you ran. I wasn't running. Think next time before you do. Now I gotta do all this paperwork, and I'm gonna have a late lunch. Probably not even till evening time. I take park safety very seriously. I'm a professional. The only thing I take more seriously is my lunch. Matter of fact, I'm gonna order some now.
How are you?
Great.
You? I'll take 5 spicy potato soft tacos, 2 cheesy bean rice burritos, and 2 chicken chipotle melts, please. That's it. No, thank you. Sure does, ma'am. Thanks.
Ooh, can't wait.